नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर एकता। आइए आज जानते हैं कि what are the secrets to a healthy and a happy mind. To understand this, let's first understand what is mental health, what is body and mind connection, and what are the secrets to mental well-being. Now, mental health is a state of mind which affects the way we think, the way we feel, and the way we act. हमारी बॉडी वैसे ही रिस्पॉन्ड करती है जैसा कि हम सोचते हैं या हम महसूस करते हैं। Here I'd like to quote a simple example. Sometimes when we are anxious, maybe before an interview or before an exam, we feel butterflies in our stomach. So this example shows how our mind and body are interrelated. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारे फिजिकल इश्यूज हमारे माइंड से रिलेटेड हो सकते हैं? इसके कुछ अर्ली सिम्टम्स होते हैं, जैसे कि मूड स्विंग्स, इरिटेबिलिटी, कंफ्यूजन, सैडनेस, hopelessness, and so on. Ayurveda and yoga has provided us a vast field of knowledge which helps us to handle these matters of mind. Also, these two sciences propagates their philosophy that the person who conquers his mind can conquer the world. तो फिर वो सीक्रेट्स क्या हैं जिनकी मैंने अभी बात की? वो सीक्रेट्स इंफॉर्मेशन का वो खजाना है जिसके थ्रू वी कैन अचीव victory over our mind. According to Ayurveda, our mind has a very powerful influence on our overall health. लाइफ की छोटी से छोटी सिचुएशन का इन्फ्लुएंस हमारी बॉडी और माइंड दोनों पर होता है, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट टेकन केयर इन टाइम इट कैन लीड टू होल रेंज ऑफ डिजीजेस. Once we understand the basics of Ayurveda, we come to know or we become clear that how vast is its approach towards the mental health. इसके अलावा आयुर्वेदा हर इंडिविजुअल के बॉडी, माइंड और सोल के कॉम्बिनेशन को यूनिक मानता है और इट ट्राइज टू ट्रीट एवरी इंडिविजुअल यूनिकली एंड डिफरेंटली. देयर इज another very important aspect about the location of mind. According to Ayurveda, the location of mind or the Manovayasthroth is not only in the brain but also in the heart. So the key aspect to treat any person who is suffering from the emotional challenge is to get out of their brain and enter into their hearts. आयुर्वेदा फिलॉसफी हमें बताती है या हमें याद दिलाती है कि कैसे रॉन्ग थॉट्स हमारी डेली सफरिंग्स का कारण बन जाते हैं. इसके साथ साथ हाउ आवर फिजिकल हेल्थ इज रिलेटेड टू द मेंटल हेल्थ एंड द मेंटल हेल्थ इज रिलेटेड टू द फिजिकल हेल्थ. This whole knowledge of Ayurveda gives us lot of hope that we can positively impact our bodies through Ayurveda and its integral parts like yoga, meditation, pranayam, diet, and so on. Whenever we talk about psychotherapy in Ayurveda, certain traditional practices like health regimes, correct behavior, yoga helps in channelizing our mind in the right direction. इसके साथ साथ when this ancient science of Ayurveda combines with the psychotherapy, it becomes a powerful combination which enables us to handle all the issues or to unlock all the issues related to the mind. ये तो बात हुई आयुर्वेद की. अब बात करते हैं योग की. Whenever we talk about yoga, we just think about asanas and pranayams, whereas yoga is much more than that. Yoga is a complete science with its own wholesome philosophy. आपको ये जानकर बहुत ही हैरानी होगी कि द फाउंडेशन टेक्स्ट फॉर योगा, द पतंजलि योग सूत्रस, consists about 196 sutras in it, out of which only 8 sutras are such which talks about the physical aspects of the body, whereas rest balance sutras just talks about the matters of mind. The research in yoga and meditation has explored the connection between mind, body and soul. ऐसा देखा गया है कि योग में कॉन्शियस मूवमेंट्स और रिदमिक ब्रीदिंग प्रैक्टिसेस हमारे रिलैक्सेशन रिस्पॉन्सेस को एक्टिवेट कर देते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ योग हमारे माइंड से सेल्फ डाउट को निकालने में भी मदद करता है, बाय मेकिंग अस मोर सेल्फ अवेयर, बाय मेकिंग अस मोर फोकस्ड एंड क्लियरर. Along with this, a very important aspect, the low self-esteem and the low self-confidence is considered as the major cause of stress and anxiety. Yoga also help in handling these kind of issues by making us more clearer, more focused, more confident, and it enables a person to handle the life situations more confidently. योग माइंड और बॉडी को अलग नहीं मानता. As the word suggests, yoga itself means the union. So it is the integration of mind and body. Now, when mind and body are strongly integrated, it leads to strength, clarity, and acceptance. So we see that our ancient sciences recognize the importance of mental and emotional health thousands of years ago. So हमारे लिए ये कोई नई बात नहीं है. In my future videos, I'll keep sharing more on this topic, but for now, I want to leave you with the thought that what best we can do about this issue. The best thing what we can do is to speak. पर इसके लिए it's very important कि हम अपनी physical health और mental health को एक जैसा मानें. जैसा कि physical ailment होने पर हम अपने डॉक्टर को विजिट करते हैं, उसी तरह the mental health should be handled in the same way. Along with that, we should understand this fact that our mind is the part of our body. Nothing more, nothing less. So if we speak, everything comes into place automatically. So it's very important to speak out what you're feeling with your friends, with your family, with a person whom you are comfortable with. Still, if you are not comfortable, seek professional help. The psychiatrists, psychotherapists, counselors are just like other doctors and specialists who are there with the purpose to relieve you from this situation. I hope this information of mine will help you in certain areas of your life. Still, if you have certain questions or queries, you can put a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. धन्यवाद.